Hello, and on today we will be taking a look at Trackmaster Press and Spin Herald. Look at that. It's a huge herald, right? Look at that. There is this cool face in a package, and he even comes with some Trackmaster tracks. Get that. Okay, Press and Spin Herald. Okay, let's see what's going on with this thing. Okay, it says, how can trains fly? With a friend like Harold, that's how. Just press Harold down on the dock to open his doors and let his engine friends on board. Then squeeze the handle to get the propellers spinning and take to the skies. Oh, that's cool. So this time he can load them up. Now, of course, we know that Harold is not that big and relative to the engines as this Herald is. But, I mean, because there was even an episode a while back, and why don't you guys leave me a comment about which episode I'm speaking of. But there was an episode where he was on a flatbed behind Thomas or Duck, one of those guys, running around the whole Sodor. All right, I remember that episode. So we know Harold will not be as big and relative to an engine as this one, but we're still gonna entertain this version and show you what it has to offer. We'll take it out and put it on the track. How about that? Cool? Cool. Okay, so now we are back. Look at this, we got Harold. And the tracks that come with Harold look like this. So these are regular Trackmaster 2 tracks. They connect to and replace or in between these, and it allows Harold to land on the tracks. Okay, let me show you Harold. Okay, of course this is an oversized Harold, but looks like it might be a lot of fun. We got spinning propeller. Okay, got Harold's face, and guess what? When he opens up on either side, it looks like he can carry something in there. It looks like he got tracks in there. So yeah, so this is a spinning Trackmaster track here. Okay, well let's see how that works, okay? Cool. Okay, so let's take a quick look at these instructions that are included with Harold. It says what's included, and it is the 2 tracks, which I put them together already like this, the 2 tracks, and then there's the Harold, of course, and we saw that. Then it also says how to play. So first you connect the 2 tracks together like it did, and then it'll show you some things. So I'm going to show you this before we actually plug it up. What actually happens. Okay, so you can put Harold down onto the track. So Harold, you have Harold playing with him however you want. Then when you want him to interact with these tracks, you place him down that way, and the back opens. Y'all see when I did that? Okay, let's show that again. Okay, see? Do that, put it down, and the back opens. Now, if you do it sideways, like this, both the sides open, which is cool. So that means this way trains can run through and keep going, which is kind of cool, okay? So, but when you do it this way, a train can run in there and stay in there. Kind of cool, huh? All right, cool. Let's see what Harold has to offer, okay? Bye.